everyone! Join me here. Let's draw something super cool. A police car. Police cars help officers keep our neighborhoods safe and respond to emergencies. So, grab your art supplies, and let's draw this heroic vehicle together. Are you ready? Let's go! Police cars have special sirens and flashing lights to let everyone know they're coming. Some police cars can go up to 150 miles per hour to catch speedy drivers. Many police cars have computers inside to help officers with their work. Did you know there are special police cars for snowy areas, beaches, and even motorcycles? K9 units have police cars with special spaces for their dog partners. Fantastic! Our police car looks amazing. It's ready to save the day. Now we're moving on to the fun part, coloring. Pick up your markers or crayons and let's make the lights super bright, the car shiny. Police cars are sometimes called patrol cars because they drive around keeping an eye on things. Do you think our police car will be chasing after a runaway donut truck or helping find a lost puppy? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. The very first police cars were used in the early 1900s and had sirens powered by hand. some countries, police cars use fuel-saving hybrid or electric engines. Have you ever seen a police car driving on your street? What did it look like? Some high-tech police cars have cameras and license plate readers to find stolen cars. Do you want to add a little police officer waving from the window? Who could it be? If you were a police officer, what would you name your super cool police car? Wow! Our police car looks like it's on a mission to keep everyone safe. Amazing job, Pinky Artist! You can even draw a street or other cars around it to make it more fun. Thanks for drawing with me today. I can't wait to see you again for our next creative adventure.